Did you know volcanic eruptions can teach us about our own health? Just as eruptions reshape landscapes, they also reveal the power of magnesium. This mineral, found in volcanic soil, is crucial for over 300 biochemical reactions in our bodies. It helps regulate muscle and nerve function, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. Surprisingly, many people are deficient in magnesium, which can lead to fatigue and muscle cramps. By understanding the principles of volcanic eruptions, we can appreciate the importance of magnesium in our diet. So, next time you think of volcanoes, remember the health benefits they inspire.